Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's create it. So today's video is about how to make this very beautiful quilling birthday card. Here I have used braiding method. So let's get into the process. For this we need some 5mm multicolor quilling strips, scissor, quilling tool, glue and a blank greeting card. To make the small flower, here I am using one strip of yellow, half strip of orange and half strip of black. So connecting this with glue and making a tight coil. Now stick the end with glue. Now making a teardrop shape like this, and the petal is ready. In the similar way, I have created total 5 petals. Now joining this with glue. I have made this tight coil with one strip of orange color. Now I am sticking this on the top of the flower. Now making another small flower. Here I am using one strip of orange color, half strip of yellow color and half strip of black color. Now making a tight coil. Like the previous one, I have created 5 petals. Now assembling these with glue. I have made this yellow color tight coil using one strip, and it will go to the top of the flower. So the flowers are ready. I have created total 4 flowers. Now making another shade of a flower. For this we need half strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of light orange, deep orange, red and black. Joining this with glue and making a loose coil. Secure the end with glue. Now fold it like this and make a petal. Now apply glue and wrap the petal with 1/4 strip of black color. Secure the end. So in this way we need total 6 petals. Now assembling these together with glue and making a flower shape. Sticking another tight coil like the previous one. So the flower is ready. In this way I have created one more flower like this. Now making a big size flower. For this we need one strip of yellow, half strip of light orange, half strip of deep orange, half strip of red and 1/4 strip of black. Now making a loose coil. Secure the end with glue. So like the previous one, I have created all the petals. Now assembling all these with glue. Here I have used total 6 petals. The tight coil is made using 2 orange color strips. So the flower is ready. So starting the braiding method, for this using one strip of dark orange, folding it into half and one strip of light yellow, cutting it into half. Now folding the orange strip like this in V shape. Now applying glue on one side and sticking the half strip of yellow, and applying glue on another side and sticking the half strip like a cross, like this. Now start the braiding method like this. Do it till you reach to the end. So the braid is ready. Now trim the edges. Apply glue and secure the end properly. So all the flowers and braids are ready. I have made 2 braids and I have cut one braid into half. Now assembling all these in the blank greeting card using glue. Now sticking the braids like this. And the last one is the big flower, sticking this also. So this is the final look, quilling birthday card. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.